Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chime Savings Round-Up feature to save money. So what is Chime's Round-Up feature? With Chime's Round-Up features, every time you make a purchase using your Chime debit card or credit builder card, Chime's rounds up that amount to the next dollar and move the difference into your Chime savings account. For example, if you spend $5.50, Chimes will round it up to $6 and deposit 50 cents into your savings automatically. But first, make sure you have a Chime savings account set up or this feature won't work. So open the Chime account and click on the settings, which is look like a gear account. Now after you go to the settings, scroll down until you find the option that say round up my purchase. Click on it or tap on it. Now you can choose which card you want to enable this for. You can use debit card or you can use credit builder card or both. So for this example, let's turn it on for the credit builder card. Just toggle on it, and after that read this short explanation and just they will say like you are all set and confirm, done. Now you just have to activate and made a small purchase with your credit builder card. You can check your credit builder balance, and you can also see your savings account as well. Now you will notice the roundup amount for like 3.34 cents will appear in your savings account. Now it usually takes one business day for the transfer to show up, so be patient. So here is my 34 cents, and it also say the round up happened from my credit card. And that's it for this video. It is an easy passive way to start building savings. Every time you spend, over time, these small roundups can really add up. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.